Hey everyone, so we are doing the, what's this hike called?
Moose Summit?
Moose.
Alp Summit? Something.
It is 10 November 2019 and it is currently probably about 50 degrees outside. As you can see, it's the trail's still pretty much with snow. There's Blue and there's Mushpa. They're having a good time and we're just enjoying the scenery out here. Oh, it's so windy.
Mushpa, sit. Sit, girl. Sit. Mushpa, sit.
So this is Mushpa. She is a Dalmatian Shepherd mix. Say hi, Mushpa. She is 11.5 years old. She's an awesome dog. We've had her since she was a pup. We have to choose trails that are a bit no more than 3 miles or so because she is pretty old, but she loves hiking and doing all this stuff. Right over there in the white is Blue. He's a terrier mix. He is what, 9 years old?
9, yeah.
9 years old, and
Blue.
he's not much of a hiker. But
Blue boy.
He loves being outside in nature with his sister. So, anyways, that's the dogs. We're back on the trail with Erika trying to figure out how to work the camera. As you can see, it's still pretty icy and we didn't bring all the right stuff, and even though we have boots, even though we have those snow things, we regrettably did not come prepared. Okay, so we have a decision to make.
For those of you who don't know, we use all trails.
Who is it that we don't know? We gotta
I
make
was
a left.
watching. Make a left.
The 3 people watching? Come on! This way.
Take him, baby. Looks like we're about halfway done. This is a 3.5 mile hike. And I'm hoping we did the hard part at the get-go. And I'm hoping it gets a little bit easier. I have a feeling it's not going to. So I forgot to tell you that the clients I was at, they told me their house was haunted. And I was like, what the crap? Man, you gotta pray and cast that spirit out. What the heck are you doing with that? That's crazy.
Are you guys thirsty? Are you guys thirsty? Well, I'm Blue. There's nothing there, boy. Come on, boy. Want some water? Come on, boy. Hello. Hey, big boys. Come on, come here. Come on. Oh, yeah.
You're a cutie.